Is the project management office, is the PMO dead? Well, that's a great question, and a question I want to explore with you in the upcoming Agile in Ireland conference. I'm going to run a workshop about PMOs. So what is the new model for PMOs in the Agile world? Do we still call them PMOs? Do we need PMOs? What benefit do they provide us? We'll talk about intake process. We'll talk about the project management office, maybe rebranded as a center of excellence, or like Jonathan Smart is calling them a value realization office, which I really like. So come spend with me a full day after the conference in Dublin, Ireland, in Croke Park, 2020. We'll talk about Agile PMOs, the benefits, how they can improve product focus on benefit realization rather than output focus. So I'll see you there. And if you want to hear about my thoughts on why retrospectives suck and what we can do about them to make them shine, subscribe to my channel down below on the link or on this screen. I'm talking several times a week, interviewing folks about what makes retrospectives shine and best practices for retrospectives. Subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you on the one-day workshop, Dublin, the Agile PMO. No, it's not dead. And there are actually a lot of things we can do differently to make Agile PMOs really shine. See you there, and thanks for listening.